Stolen truck chase, suspect punches officer, bizarre escape and wild finish. This is one of the strangest police chases in West Los Angeles. On Tuesday, July 29, 2025, a suspect in a stolen truck led authorities on an incredible chase, culminating in a shocking encounter where he appeared to punch an LAPD officer.
Right now, you get an idea of all the officers, and again, a lot of stop and a lot of go. That's what we were talking about. There he did it once again. Now, LAPD, they've got a number of officers.
The suspect was seen on Interstate 10 before reaching Pacific Coast Highway. The chase ignited around 11:15 a.m. near the 405 and 10 freeways, with the suspect, allegedly wanted for elder abuse, reaching speeds over 100 kilometers per hour on Interstate 10 near Pico, then heading towards Pacific Coast Highway before turning back.
Street lights blink like coded warnings, shadowed alleys, stories scorning. Each turn sharper, adrenaline flows, a desperate ride where danger grows. Is it the thrill of the fight I crave? This asphalt beast, my soul enslaved. The lines blur fast, the end unclear. Speeds the drug, I've lost the gear. Raw, but it's what's igniting. Hearts are pounding, fears inviting. How long will this moment last? The clock is screaming, seconds fast. Raw, but it's what's igniting. Hearts are pounding, fears inviting. How long will this moment last? The clock is screaming, seconds fast. Like coded warnings, shadowed alleys, stories scorning. Each turn sharper, adrenaline flows, a desperate ride where danger grows. Is it the thrill of the fight I crave? This asphalt beast, my soul enslaved. The lines blur fast, the end unclear. Speeds the drug, I've lost the gear.